Hello, hello, crafty friends. It's Danny here from Danny's Dreams, and I'm popping in with a quick Mornings with Danny video real quick. Can I say quick any more time? Quick, quick, quick. Sorry. The last 24, 48 hours have been quite the journey for me and my family. If you didn't watch the last video, my daughter's car was stolen. All the process, all the feelings of violation because it was stolen from our driveway, just so many emotions, so many things. And then today they did recover it. It looks to be in pretty good shape. Dealing with the insurance, which our insurance is fabulous. I can't express that. We're former military, so we have USAA, and it was a really easy process, but still a long process. I was on the phone for over an hour, which phone calls wear me out anyways. And then we went and released it from the impound yard. We got to look at it. Again, very minor. I mean, they broke the window, the steering column, things like that, but it should be fixable. Now we just have to wait for them to tow it to the repair place, get the estimate, and then go from there. But at least we're relieved with that. It's also been some other issues that have popped up, so I'm exhausted. But I wanted to do a video because they're fun for me now. I don't really have anything to share. I thought I would show some of the things I'm working on. Things kind of got pushed to the back burners because of the car stuff. But I also, in the description box below, will have a link to a video that I thought was really neat. It's by Carrie Rhoades, and she did a trifold gift card, and it was really, gift card sleeve. It was really cool. I really liked how she put it together. She did a graduation one. I think it would be fun for any occasion. I'm hoping to try it at some point. So if you would take a peek at her video and leave a comment for her saying that Danny sent you, that would be fabulous. And if you like what you see there, subscribe to her channel. I am really enjoying her videos so much, along with others, but I wanted to highlight her today. She just has a fun personality that just when I watch it, I feel happy. So anyways, that's in the description box below. And then my mermaids are going to be put on hold because, like I said, the last 2 days have been a wash. I haven't done much. Sweet November Stamps does have a coloring challenge right now, so I have been coloring, just haven't been completing things. I have this mermaid calico colored up. She's ready to go on a card, but I haven't got that far. I have this little girl from Sweet November Stamps. She's one of the Murtots. And I found this background in my stash. It's all sparkly and fun. Again, I'm working on her, but she's not done. And then there's my first foiling that I did on my new Glimmer foil machine. I think I'm envisioning some flowers here. And I haven't decided if I'm going to cut this out or maybe like emboss, do some silver embossing around the edges. Again, it's a work in progress. And then this is the latest mermaid that I colored, also from Sweet November Stamps. I'm really proud of my sea lion coloring, and I don't know if you can see it. I gave her freckles because she's a redhead, so she has freckles everywhere because they usually do. And I gave her a little bit rosier tone. When I do share this card, I have started keeping track of all the Copics that I use because I know people are finding that useful. So there's what I have for you today. I am hoping that all of this nonsense is done and I can just resume my normal crafting schedule, although we're getting closer to my vacation with my family and my daughter's graduation. So the week of like the 20th through the 28th, there won't be many videos, if any at all. But then I hope to resume and do more than ever because my daughter will be working for the summer and also going on a trip to France. So I'm going to have a lot of alone time. So thanks so much for stopping by. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I would love that. And I will hopefully be back soon with some more videos, another Mornings with Danni video maybe, and have an awesome crafty day.